Hi, can your baby hear what you say? Yes, we can easily identify whether your baby is able to hear or not. Hi, I'm your Dr. Pratima, Senior ENT Surgeon, Tirupati. We can easily identify newborn's hearing with the help of a test called Newborn Hearing Screening Test, also called OAE test. The test is recommended by World Health Organization. All the newborn babies has to be screened for hearing before 3 months of their age. It is a simple test, easily done within few minutes. There won't be pain or discomfort to the baby while doing the test. It can be easily affordable by all groups of the people. You all know that speech is important for social and economic development of their lives. Early identification and treatment of hearing loss helps the babies to develop speech and language skills on par with their peers. Your child's future is in your hands. Don't forget to get your baby screened for hearing today.